Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2025 BMW 430i xDrive Coupe in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW 430i xDrive Coupe in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This is the LCI. We've got the snake eye headlights on. I just hit unlock. There's the key. Let's get some pathway lighting on. So that's the low beam system on, and let's do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And once we complete this lap, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. And I know what you're saying, wait, where's the laser tail lights? They're part of the M Sport Pro package on the 4 Series in Canada. I don't know how it's laid out in other markets, but that's how it is here. So let's take a closer look. So we've got the lovely Brooklyn Gray Metallic, and it very nicely shows off the lines on the hood here, which are vertically arranged, right down to our focal point here, which is the rondelle. And we've got the one-piece brushed aluminum kidney grille, and we've got these little accents in the squares, or sorry, these rectangles going all around. And these are active shutters at the top here behind the grille. So pre-LCI, this was actually the M440i grille, which is pretty cool. And there's the snake eye headlights on. I think that's cool that these are basically the same headlights you can get on the M4. And down here, we've got some functional air ducts that go into the braking and for the aerodynamics of the vehicle. So let's take a closer look at these BMW LED snake eye headlights. So it's really cool, but you got this little chrome strip here that kind of reflects. It almost looks like it's illuminating, but it's not. And through the sides here, these illuminate in the other headlights. In this case, they do not. And you'd also get the stacked LEDs in there if this were the same headlights you'd get in the M Sport Pro package. But these ones, they still look great. I would definitely accept these. But they're a little bit different than the fully upgraded ones. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black burnished. So burnished means that the face is burnished. It's this finish that they've got on there. The other parts are of course jet black, and we have the blue M Sport brake back there, which looks great. And if I hit unlock one more time, so there's the welcome light carpet turning on there. We have body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal and side camera there. We have the sunroof up top. We have the new style antenna. We've got the previous gen door handle, which I like it. Side profile looks great. Hofmeister kink, bing, right there. And the trunk lid has a little bit of a built-in duckbill. And then we've got our L-shaped tail lights with the round dual exit exhaust with the diffuser and the horizontal reflectors. So since I'm back here, I've got the key. So there it is. And once it opens up, you'll see that we've got some carpeted mats in here. There's a release lever at the top on each side and some illumination in the middle so we can fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Plastic storage area on this side with the glow-in-the-dark handle so you can make your exit. Grocery bag hanger. Netted area on this side, which is down. And looks like we've got some wheel lock keys and such over here. These boxes. And if you lift this panel up, so down there is a place to put your wheel lock key and tow hook. And once we're done with this, there's a button to close, another one to close and lock. But if I kick my foot underneath the middle of the car, we can get this to close the hands-free way. Beauty. Now when we come to the passenger side, the fuel cap door is over here. It is connected to the central locking system. So when I press 9 o'clock, the door opens up. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put it, just like that. It's clockwise, one click to shut. And another shot of that welcome light carpet. Once I open the passenger door, you'll see that we have Harman Kardon sound system in here. We have the galvanic window controls. We've got some nice stitching on the door panel. Nice big pockets. Aluminum M door sill with the blue sticker on it. Full power seat with lumbar. So these are the Sensatec seats. Manual under the thigh extension. We've got the aluminum rhombical trim. iDrive 8.5 on the curved display. The new cascading vent design with the ambient light inside of there. Soft touch materials on the dash. Glove box down here. Bunch of tow hooks and such. And if I do open this up, you'll see that we do have a wireless charger, USB Type A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. There is your push start button, gear selector, and the iDrive controller. And here we have your armrest. Open that up. There is a USB Type C in there. It's also illuminated. Now, if I lift this up on the shoulder here, the seat will move forward, allowing us entry to the rear seating area. This does also have the seat belt butler, so once you get in, the seat belt will pop out so you can grab it. 2 seating positions in the rear. Headrests are fixed. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. And we've got a pass-through through the center here as well. We've also got a coat hanger on the back of each B-pillar. Some reading lights up top, some vents on the back of the center console, more vents underneath the rear passenger's feet. And once I put this back into the recline angle, it'll slide back to its previous position. Let's shut this door. We'll open the other one next. So here's what it looks like walking up to your 430. Open that up. Again, Harman Kardon. We have your galvanic controls, side mirror controls, memory seats. We also have your windows, which are one touch up, one touch down. More stitching going across. Tailgate release, so if you push that, tailgate opens. Pull that and hold it while the key is inside the car. It will close the tailgate. There is your M aluminum door sill. Another look at those front seats. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel. This is with M Sport. So we've got M at 6 o'clock. We have a black marker at 12 o'clock. We also have a head-up display here. There's the view out of the sunroof. Visor's open. Light turns on with the visor. It can also come out and extend. And just a quick peek here. So we do have the 360 cam. We have automatic back park, automatic parallel park. We also have a 3D view that you can see through the app if you wish. We also have a view to help you align yourself to get into the car wash. So that is sweet. And now that we've taken a look inside, down here, there's your M Sport pedals. And here's your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you don't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline 4 twin power turbo. We have 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque, positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal there. Washer fluid goes in there. We only want regular washer fluid. And we've got these strut braces here for rigidity. And we have 2 latches under BMW hood. So you just want to bring the hood about halfway and literally just center down. Beauty. Okay, so before we conclude the video, we'll do one more lap all the way around. I think this car looks really good. I really like the LCI. I like it even better with M Sport Pro, but this is not bad at all. And I just wanted to give you one last shot of all the long range angles with this car. It looks awesome. So what do you think of the 4 Series LCI without M Sport Pro? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW 430i xDrive Coupe in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black Sensatec inside. Let me know what you think. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at Alan BMW Durham. This car's available. Contact me if you want it. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.